Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's your host Ray. Today's video is a model tank review on the Dragon 1/72 scale Brummbar kit. I did build this kit a few years ago, but I felt like doing the review right now because I've had it for a while, and there are a few things that I do want to get out there so other modelers do not make the same mistake of buying this kit like I did. You already know that it is not exactly a good kit when I say mistake of buying it. So I'll try and review it as best as I can, but please note that I am not very happy with Dragon about this kit and some other kits too, so let's begin. First up in the front, not much going on here. I just painted the whole thing a, what's it called, desert yellow color. Here's the wooden box for the jack. Here's a frontal light, not much going on here. You do get the option for side skirt armor, I just didn't feel like including that. Over here, the jack to raise the tank up to make repairs underneath it is supposed to be sitting here. However, I did not feel like including it there because, I mean, I really didn't want to. Down on the lower glasses plate, not much going on here. Here's just like two things just to hold a spare piece of track there. There is a spare track included that you can mount on here, but I do not think there isn't spare track that you can mount on here. You'll have to purchase that separately. Here we have the driver's viewing port. There's not much going on there, just you do have the option of different viewing port variants. There's only two of them. Be careful because there are quite a few there is a lot of small parts going into that. Up here is the big 150mm gun, 15 centimeters of caliber. That's the caliber of it, 15 centimeters. This kit isn't even 6 centimeters long. This gun cannot move because of the way it is designed. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Up here on the top, you have the periscope, the gunner's periscope, on air vents to vent out the tank for smoke, because a lot of the smoke was from the gun firing was vented internally into the tank, so this vent was included to expel some of those fumes. Up here you have a machine gun port. You can have these opened or closed, but there is no machine gun to fit into this hole here, so just notice that. Here's the commander's hatch. You can have this open or closed as well. Over to the side, there's not much here, just the decal of the Balkan cross. Please notice that there is quite a lot of fine details here, which I do appreciate in model kits, which you do not see in very many companies. Back here is the just the back box. Not much back here. There is no way you can mount the tools that are usually included back here because Dragon decided to be unique and mount things differently. Here is the here's an air conditioner which filters out air. You can have this here or you can remove it. I'm not sure why you'd want it on there, but like if you want extra details, you can. Down in the engine area, let's focus that again. Here's the muffler, just it's a single piece muffler, you can't really do much with assembly, and just some more engine parts down back over here. You do have the option to carry spare wheels, although the kit does not include enough enough wheels to accommodate all 4 spare wheels that go back here, which is quite stupid in my opinion. Yeah, not much in this area. I'll go over the chassis now. Yeah, this is the Panzer IV chassis. I did add a lot of mud here because why not? Here's the, you don't get any customization with the chassis or drive sprocket or anything like that. Just have to go with what's included. There is a lot, the wheels are somewhat very hard to glue on because they don't have an exact fit, so that's also another complaint. And you are supposedly able to make the tracks move, although I do not recommend making the tracks move because you will break them very easily. There are also a lot of details in the back here which are very, very tedious, and I just could not include them because they are so small. And finally, the antenna up here, the way it's presented to us, it's very bad. I don't like the way they just made it as part of the parts tree. Very difficult to cut off, and you have to heat up your knife so you do not snap the plastic in half, and you just simply cannot glue it back together if you do somehow break it. Now, for the rest of the complaints, there are a lot of small features that I did not include on the tank because it was just simply too small for me to do, and I mean, I can only do so much. Now, considering I am a teenage modeler, I don't have that much experience, but I do have enough experience to say, like, what the hell? It's just too hard, and those of you who are adults and getting older, up there in age, no offense, it is very hard to add certain parts to this kit, so just don't buy this kit, seriously. The instructions are not clear at all, and there are quite a few parts that are missing, and not included. I don't remember any specifics, but there are quite a few. And overall, it's just not a good kit. I really don't like it, so I wouldn't buy it. I also did buy the Panzer III, and there were a lot of parts that were backwards, molded incorrectly, and the instructions, once again, had a lot of parts that weren't included. It was really messed up, so do not buy from Dragon. I will leave a link in the description if you do want to risk buying this kit, but yeah, don't get it. It's very expensive and it's not worth your money. Get another 72nd scale Brummbar, or just straight up get a, just get a normal kit. Yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Questions, comments, concerns, feel free to comment them down below. I'll try and answer as best as I can and as soon as possible, but I might not be able to because I am a very busy person. So, yeah, that's it. See you guys later.